Step on the mic behind, say your full name.
Lorenzo Lee Wright.
Mr. Wright, this is Magistrate Chapter. You're here on a criminal matter. You have 2 criminal matters. And let's do the misdemeanor matter first. Case number is 1-845-72201. People State of Michigan versus Lorenzo Lee Wright. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, breaking on behalf of Mr. Wright, we waive the formal reading, stand mute.
Thank you, counsel. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. Court date is May 30th, 2023. It's a review court date in front of Judge Austin Garrett. Counsel, on December 16, 2019, a warrant was issued for Mr. Wright. Failed to appear. Bond was set at $750 cash surety. Counsel, do you want that to stay the same or not?
Judge, if the court is inclined, there is another case, Judge.
I know that. Do you want to hold off on this bond yet?
Yes, please, Your Honor, please.
Okay, all right. However, Mr. Wright, even though this is from 2019, couple of bond conditions, you're not to have any contact with. That means no person-to-person contact, no contact with third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Also, sir, you're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Say that
No
again.
contact with Swan and not to possess any dangerous weapons or firearms. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're gonna get to the bond in a moment. Council wants to do the other case, and we're gonna do that. Case number is 235-660701, People State of Michigan versus Lorenzo Wright. Please state your full name, sir.
LORENZO.
State your name.
Lorenzo Lee Wright.
Thank you, sir. You have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, breaking on behalf of Mr. Wright, again, would waive the reading, stand mute. He has been advised of his rights, Judge.
Thank you, counsel. I'm gonna enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are May 31st, 2023, probable cause conference, followed by preliminary examination, June 7, 2023. Both matters are in front of Judge Sabri. Mr. Wright, bond conditions, you're not to have any contact with. That means no person-to-person contact, no contact with third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, sir, I see here that you and the complainant reside at the same location. You're not to go back to that location, which is, oh no, it looks like not at the same location, but you're not to go back to the location 194 Detroit. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, go ahead, Esteban.
Judge, so Esteban, Bianca's sister, that is the complainant's sister, as the court has already stated, they are not to go back and be around each other. She lives down the street, he lives at another location. He's 35, Judge. He doesn't have any prior convictions except for the 2018 case, which he has a review date in which he missed with Judge Garrett. Judge, my client lives in the city of Detroit, as the court already knows. He's not working right now, unfortunately. He does suffer from seizures. Again, he will not have contact with his sister. He understands that. So I would ask the court, Judge, in that particular case, it's a newer case, to grant a personal bond with absolutely no contact provision with his sister.
Okay. The thing is, and I understand, the incident happened a year ago in March.
That is correct, Judge.
I also see that one of the counts is aggravated, that there's been repeated conduct on your client's part. Allegedly, your client made statements that he was going to stab his sister, the complainant. So, counsel, even though this is more than a year old, okay, I am going to give him, I do fear for the complainant's safety, okay? He's going to get $100 personal bond, counsel, but he's also going to get a GPS tether.
Yes, ma'am.
And you said he's not working,
No, not at this time. What?
okay, that he's gonna get $100,000 personal bond with GPS tether, house arrest.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you go to this.
Making sure, so we're gonna put that down.
No, if you're still here, there's a possibility you go to court, right? Who's your judge?
Okay, all right, so that goes with that. Now, as to the misdemeanor. This is from 2019. I'm gonna give him a $750,000 personal bond. I will say this, Mr. Wright, you violate any of the bond conditions, on either case, understand, you're gonna be looking at monetary bond. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now on the felony case, you're getting a GPS tether, okay, house arrest. So that means if you step out of the door onto the porch or something, beyond the time that you're allowed to, the distance, that's a violation of your bond condition. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and as for the misdemeanor, Judge Austin Garrett has given the court authority to modify misdemeanor bond, habeas bonds. So again, bond on that one is $750,000 personal bond. Counsel, you want to add anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wright.
Man, so the misdemeanor, 750,000 personal?
The misdemeanor, $750 personal bond. The felony is $100,000 personal bond, GPS tether, house arrest.
Thank you.
Okay, I might have misspoke.
Sit on up. Give me 1 second, man.
Sure, no problem. Ms. Marcia, did I say 750,000? Okay, well, I misspoke, but it's 750 personal. I need to make sure that I'm correct now.
As long as it's personal, Judge, 750,000, 750.
No, I want to make sure that I'm correct.
I understand.